Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Honda CBR650F. This is the inline four-cylinder sport bike with a comfortable riding position, about 80 horsepower, fuel injection, liquid cooled, beautiful, designed from the ground up, 650 middleweight sport bike. Make your motorcycle dreams come true. This beautiful CBR 650 for just $61.99. Only 2,200 miles on this gorgeous matte black motorcycle. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.